all of 2024. Part of it. Wasn't last year, yeah, a little bit of last year getting its restoration. It's fully functional.
You can.
Runs just fine. We'll be using it next weekend on our excursions around the facility for our open house. Spent many months painting it. It was a very complicated paint job. All this is done by hand. The lettering was cut vinyl. It's got 3 coats of clear on it so it shines in the sun. Kind of my pride and joy. I spent a lot of time on this locomotive when I first started here. So,
now, why did they get rid of it? Just surplus?
BNSF is trying to standardize their fleet, and it just didn't fit the standardization. So there's a lot of these locomotives actually available right now. If you go to restorations nowadays, lack of parts. Stating 4,000 injectors are probably one of the finest injectors put on a locomotive. But the problem is everything that's out there is either going to be robbed for parts already, or it's just used to the point where it can't be reused and reconditioned. So several operators out there, those big steam locomotives, have kind of got to the point where they need new injectors. So several organizations got together, and Jason Johnson, he's one of the principals of the Pennsylvania T1 restaurant, the brand new build. They needed injectors too, so a bunch of people got together. They got the original drawings from Nathan and produced 12 brand new Nathan 4000 series injectors, and we have 2 of them. So this is the one on here, and we have an extra in case we need to use it, replace it, have one swapped out, or even put it on the 5511 if need be. So 5511 has both their injectors.
I'm Steve Silvis. So what is an injector?
The injector uses steam to force water from the tender into the boiler.
Okay. Overcome the pressure of the boiler.
That's the steam, yeah. The steam injection overcomes the pressure of the boiler.
Here you see one of the volunteers testing the dynamo for 5511. These are the first electrical traction motors I have seen off of a diesel locomotive in person.
Pick it up with the overhead crane, move where you need to move it,
in certain things, especially with the railroad. So they kind of standardized through building a steam locomotive in that era and build it.
Here you see various parts for the restoration of 3985 and 5511. During the tour, they led us up to the boiler restoration of the Union Pacific 3985.
Okay.
Here I am walking up to the cab of Santa Fe 537.
Yeah, I'll say this is a damn shame.
I was in one of these long ago, but does this have a gas power heater?
Nah, it should be electric.
Oh, the one I want had like a blue flame going.
Nah, these should be electric heaters.
Can I sit in the engineer seat?
Yeah.
Nope, this will be my first time.
Yeah, no problem. Careful when you go out, go to your right. Yep.
Don't blow up the toilet.
What?
No, we didn't have any luck, shove it.
Pretty neat, huh?
Yeah, it's your alert or reset.
Mm-hmm.
Horn, bell.
Okay. Got it.
There's your mirror to keep an eye out on your train.
Nice. Well, here, we'll switch over. Let somebody else.
Yeah, we completely restored the cab. All this is new paint in here and everything.
Nice. Here we go.
Oh, I'd like. Oh, you can go first.
And I used to write out.
Yeah. For the 40th anniversary, you got to go up in
The GEU board.
the 519.
Oh,
Pretty simple.
And it was-
you've probably seen it. Yeah.
Yeah, that one.
Oh yeah. We're gonna have one of our All right.
Only 15 F-40C locomotives were built for the Chicago area for the Milwaukee commuter service, and 611 is one of 2 surviving today.